How about a Carolina kid? How about that Carolina kid? 122, 122 up here in the corner trying to wave.
122, I've been waiting on that boy Carolina kid to come out here and get us some. A122, did a beer,
Dirty Bird, you came up and cleared it out. Absolutely did. Dirty Bird, you just cleared my receive up here in the corner. I gotta tell you, Dirty Bird, 122, we're letting you know.
Hey, 122, I want to do
Hey, 122, want to sneak in there and say hello one more time? 122, there's 672, 6 back East Tennessee Hills with the event time wave. Hey, 120.
Hey, we're gonna wave right back at you. 672, sounding good out of 10.
I appreciate you getting that, my friend. You sounding good as usual down here in East Tennessee Hills. 122, got it going on. 672, 6 back told you so. Heck out. Hey, thought we're gonna have a hard time getting out of here.
Hey, 148, what does it sound like with a little bit of maul? I've been there with him. Hey, 148, what's it sound like when I keep his maul down? 148, did a beer, baby.
122, 2121, waving.
Waving at you, 2121. Hey, where are you, 2121? 122 with nose problems.
Just wait. Hey, 122, have a good one, that person. Carolinas, happy holidays. 2121.
Roger on the Carolinas, 2121. Yeah, yourself a good day, sir. 122 back out.
122, catch you later.
I guess the day is not our day, is it?
Oh, man, I'm sitting by. I ain't got no ears. Heavy boy. False car pop. I can't do nothing with them either.
Oh, you gotta time it. You gotta time it. Absolutely. Big old traffic jam up here at times. 122, we're letting you know.
122.
122, radio clean up on aisle 28. Dirty Bird, sir, radio clean up on aisle 28. Dirty Bird, back out.
There you go. Dirty Bird, you did it. Dirty Bird, you got over the noise. You just cleared it up. It's rough and tough up here in the corner, I gotta tell you. But Dirty Bird, you got some Mother Nature heading right this way. No doubt about it. Sounding a whole lot of good in an NEC. Dirty Bird, Georgia. 122. Hey, we're letting you know.
I appreciate it, 122. Hey, 122, you're still blowing smoke in the Carolinas, man. 122, you're still blowing smoke coming out of Maine down in the Carolina mountains. Skip shear, 357 Magnum on the side.
And I gotta tell you, that was 50 dB. 357, that was 50 dB, and we're back out.
Wow. Well, man, we're sitting down here running on the ground. How many Big John Stud got in your radio? Hey, 122, how many Big John Stud got in your radio? Hey, 122, Big John Stud being Moses. That's old Cobra 1000.
Big John Stud, I think I just cut off 357, but conditions just shifted back. You both are hanging around 40. You both are right around the 40 dB right now. Maybe you 40 and 357 just under, but he was at the 50. But it's going up and down, so he must have rode in one good wave into Maine. Absolutely did. But hey, Big John Stud, you came in there with a hammer. 122, letting you know.
Hey, oh, you tell that Big John Stud. All right, there, 122. I want to get on the body here, man. Boston, Dirty Bird in the backwoods. I'll see you now.
We're going to wave right back to the Carolinas, absolutely. We're going to wave down there to the Carolinas. Get back out of the road, let the gate roll, absolutely. I'm sure there's a whole bunch of them going to want to fire back at the old Carolinas and Georgia and Tennessee. It's all opened up here in the corner. 122, going to try to get out of the road and just sit on the side. Bye-bye-bye.
Oh, it may have got rough and tough up that way. I ain't real sure. Hey, 122. Hey, 122, big old ball buster. Big old ball buster in Tennessee saying hello, 122. I got that.
And ball buster out of 10. You just rolled on through. You did. Ball buster, you cleared it up. It's rough. We get some pretty good pileups up here in the corner, absolutely do. But hey, you busted on through, ball buster. 122. Hey, we're waving over there to 10.
Big balls that then. Texas Star 350. Texas Star 350. Texas Star 350.
Hey, Boston, that 122, y'all my ears plugged up. Hey, 122, y'all my ears plugged up.
Hey, Carolina kid, you just broke on through, absolutely did. Gonna see if we can't get down into your radio and wave a hand at you. Carolina kid, sounding good up here in the NEC. 122 Main, letting you know.
Hey, small legs, I heard him kid out for Dirty Bird, man, but that looked like a 122. He got my ears pinned up. He talking to Carolina kids. They got me on the other end, it looked like a tight side. That looked like I got my ears plugged up at 122 talking to Carolina kid over Dirty Bird in the backwoods. Back out.
Bleeding for a cow. See that? That rascal must be running 3,000-4,000 watts. That what you think?
Yeah, he's up on that lead.
Whatever he's got, it's big.
Good as always. You got bird, all right. Hey, 148, your mother, they ain't really up in there, man. Hey, Crush, I heard you, man. You said you was working that great big old beam, but it's kind of rough and tough. Hello, Crush, 148, Dirty Beard, big eye.
All right, take no watts, man. Ain't nothing but the beam. Ain't nothing but the beam. 148, Mad Dog, Alabama. Taking this funny ass looking microphone.
Yeah, go ahead. Wait, 228 down here. Virginia. Hey, Moscow, bye. Mad Dog said bye. Yeah, hello up there, 505. 505 in Maine, Skip Shooter, North Carolina, waving.
148, Holiday. Yeah, Dog said, as you hit and run, I'm gone now.
22. Wow, boy, them conditions dropped way back at Key then. We kind of lost conditions at Key. Skip Shooter, North Carolina, setting back.
Oh, I don't believe you did. I don't believe you lost any conditions, 357. We're just in and out letting you know.
Well, I don't think we did, but you either there, 122, my goodness. Yeah, 509 kind of dropped out, or 505 kind of dropped out up there in Maine, but boy, you didn't. Hey, 122, I'm glad we still holding on up there. Good evening, one more time, checking out this old Cobra 1K. Skip Shooter, waving that hand.
Oh yeah, you got Mother Nature again, or you had it because you rose back to that 50 but fell back. But hey, you got some Mother Nature right over you, 357, I gotta tell you. She's smiling right down at you right now, no doubt. 357, good job, sounding good, sir.
All right, man. Well, I guarantee you it's Mother Nature tonight. We're keying 750 watts. That's PEP swing, man. That's all we're doing. About 750 watts. Running an old Mako 300 on this 7-element flat side. Skip Shooter, waving that hand.
Well, it's working for you. It's working for you, absolutely. That and that old beam you got going. That old combination is getting that signal out for you. Absolutely is. 8357. Always good hearing you rolling through the corner. 122 getting back out this go around.
Hi, 122. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, that old Frankenstein 7 element. 34 foot 6 inches long. Down here in the Carolina Mountains. Take care.
That'd be my 357. That'd be my 357. Roger. Bye, bye, bye.
Imagine 122, boys. 122 Maine.
Just tuned up there, and shoot, I was talking.
Yeah, boy, let me bump this thing a little bit more to the east, and let me dust off the dust on my feet. Oh, to your Pennsylvania cowboy. Well, I got to topple it down on this drop top chicken box in Georgia. Hey, cowboy, I'm right back. Breaker.
You say?